Very good evening, students. We are in the chapter fractions, right? Students, in last class, we have discussed multiplication of fraction, right? Students, today in this class also, I am going to do some problems on multiplication of fraction. Okay. So, here, for example, multiply 1 over 5 by 5. Okay. So here the whole number is written as a fraction by placing 1 as a denominator. Okay, all of you see here, this is whole number, right? So 1 over 5 into 5 over, okay, 1. So here the whole number is written as a fraction by placing 1 as a denominator. Okay. So now we need to multiply the numerators and denominators. Okay. So here numerators are 1 and 5. Okay. Denominators are 5 and 1. Okay. So all of you see here. Multiply the numerators. So numerators are 1 and 5. Okay. 1 into 5. 1 into 5. 5 only. Okay. Now we need to multiply denominators. Okay. So 5 into 1. 5 into 1, 5 only. Okay, now we need to reduce the fraction, right? All of you see here. So 5 over 5, right? So is equal to 5 over 5. Okay, so here 5 divides 5 completely, right? 5 ones are 5. So we got answer 1. Okay. Students, here another example. Simplify and multiply 3 into 2 into 1 over 3. Okay. So here 3 is a whole number. Right. Okay. So here 2 into 1 over 3 is a mixed fraction. Okay. So here first we need to write the whole number. Okay. As a fraction. Okay. By placing 1 in denominator. Okay. So all of you see here the whole number is written as a fraction by placing 1 as a denominator. So all of you see here. So this 3 over 1, okay, into, now we need to change the this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, so all of you see here, 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6 plus 1 7, right? So write 7 here. Okay, so write this denominator as it is here. Okay, now it will become improper fraction, right? Because here numerator is more, denominator is less now, right? So now we got 3 over 1 into 7 over 3. Now we need to multiply the numerators and denominators. Okay, so here numerators are 3 and 7 and denominators are 1 and 3. Okay, so all of you see here, multiply the numerators. Numerators are 3 and 7. Okay, so 3 into 7. Okay, 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so now we need to multiply denominators. Okay, so all of you see here, multiply the denominators. So 1 into 3. Okay, 1 3 is a 3 only. Okay, now we need to reduce the fraction. Okay, so 21 over 3. 21 is equal to 21 over 3. Okay, so 3 divides 21 completely, right? So 3 sevens are, okay, 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so we got answer 7. Students, here another example, simplify and multiply. Okay, so here 7 into 1 over 2 is a mixed fraction, and here 4 is a whole number, right? So now first we need to simplify this. Okay, so all of you see here, first we need to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so all of you see here, change mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so 2 sevens are 14. Okay, 14 plus 1 15, right? So right here, okay, is equal to 15 over 2. Okay, so write this 2 as a denominator as it is. Okay, 15 over 2 into, now we need to write this whole number as a fraction by placing 1 in a denominator. Okay, so all of you see here, the whole number is written as a fraction by placing 1 as the denominator. So 4 over 1. Okay, here 15 over 2 will become improper fraction because numerator is more, denominator is less. Okay, now we changed whole number into fraction, 4 over 1. Okay, now we need to multiply numerators and denominators. Okay, here numerators are 15 and 4, denominators are 2 and 1. Okay, so first multiply the numerators. Okay, multiply the numerators. Okay, so here numerators are 15 into 4. Okay, 15 into 4 is equal to 15 fours are 60, right? So next we need to multiply the denominators. Okay, so all of you see here, multiply the denominators. Okay, 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Okay, now we need to reduce into fraction, right? Reduce the fraction. Okay, so 60 over 2. Okay, so here 2 divides 60 completely, right? 2 30s are, okay, 2 30s are 32s are 60. Okay, so all of you see here, 2 3s are 6, right? So write 3 here, so remaining 0 right here. Okay, so we got 30 is the answer. Okay, students, here another example. Multiply 1 into 5 over 7 into 2 over 3. Okay, so here 1 into 5 over 7 is in mixed fraction, right? So 2 over 3 is a proper fraction, because here numerator is less, denominator is more, so it is a proper fraction, right? Okay, now we need to change this mixed fraction into a improper fraction first. Okay, so all of you see here. Okay, 7 ones are 7. Okay, 7 plus 5 12, right? So write 12 here. Okay, so write this denominator as it is. Okay, so into write this proper fraction as it is. Okay, here 2 over 3. Okay, now we got 12 over 7 into 2 over 3. Okay, now here we need to multiply numerators and denominators. Okay, students, here numerators are 12 and 2. Okay, denominators are 7 and 3. Okay, so first here multiply the numerators. Okay, numerators are 12 and 2. Okay, 12 into 2 is equal to 12 2s are 24, right? So next we need to multiply denominators. Okay, denominators are 7 and 3. Okay, multiply the denominators. Okay, 7 into 3. Okay, 7 3 is a 21. Okay, so now we need to reduce the fraction. Okay, all of you see here, reduce the fraction. Okay, so 24 over 21, okay, is equal to 24 over 21. So this 24 and 21 divides by 3, right? So 3 sevens are 21. Okay, 3 eights are 24. Okay, so right, 3 eights are 24. Okay, so 3 sevens are 21. Okay, so now we got 8 over 7. Okay, so now we need to simplify this, okay, into a mixed fraction. Okay, so is equal to 7 divided by 8. Okay, so nearest product for 8 from 7 is 7 ones are 7. Okay, so when we subtracting 8 minus 7, we got 1. Okay, so now we got quotient, okay, 1, and remainder is 1. Okay, so write this quotient as a whole number. Okay, so this remainder 1 as a numerator. Okay, and next write this denominator 7 as it is. Okay, so we got 1 into 1 over 7 is the answer. Okay, so students, in this class we have learnt multiplication of fraction, right? Multiplication of fraction, in that multiplication of a fraction by a whole number and multiplication of a fraction by a mixed number, right? So if you have any doubt, ask in online session. Okay, all of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.